Hi, it's Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video on the new system or information called RankLeak Review. Now, if you always want to get more traffic, make more money online without spending any money, and getting ranked higher on Google, Yahoo, and Bing, this is the course for you. Now, this document was leaked by Google, and this system is going to go over the main points. There's 14,000 API leak points of Google's secret how to rank your page from them. It has been removed since then, but this course actually kept a copy of it. And it's going to teach you the most important points that you need to hit to get your page ranked on the search engine, rank any page on the search engine with 3 clicks. So that's what this course is all about. This is a secret system. It is no longer available online, but they will teach you what's in the information in terms of the 14,000 points. Now, obviously, you're not going to use 14,000 points. They're just going to go over the main points that they have recognized or isolated that will rank your page or any page on the top of the search engine easily with 3 clicks. This is only a one-time payment. I believe it starts at about maybe $16. They give you $3 or $4 off if you click away from the page. So this is a great deal if you want to make money online and use the search engine, particularly Google, which get millions of hits a minute. To practically any niche, a good niche. So check it out. Click the link below. Get started today. It's affordable and this works. And this is information you can use for years, and you can actually charge other companies, people, to rank their sites. This is Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below. Again, this RankLeak review. Okay, see everyone in the next video.